In last video, before building the visuals, the most important thing is to make a new table by combining multiple tables. Choose 10 stocks. For each stock, half-year data. So we have 10 tables. For each table, we only need 2 columns, date and the trading volume column. We apply Power Query to create a new table. We can do in Excel or Power BI. Here we just go to the Power BI, get a data folder. You can look for the folder. I could just copy the path and paste. Because I will do some cleaning, so I don't combine now. Transform. Here we only want to keep CSV files. You can just unclick that or just search .csv if you have lots of files. Then okay. So now you see only left CSV. So combine files. Click this double arrow here. Okay. You see all the steps following the source, they are automatically done by Power BI or by Excel. If in Excel, go to Data tab on the ribbon. Get data from File, from Folder. Then click the folder, open. So exactly the same thing. Unclick this Excel worksheet. Okay. Then you combine files now. Okay. Yeah, so this is in Excel because we will do the visual. So let's go back to Power BI. Choose this and Control Date, then go to Volume. Then right-click, remove other columns. But this is file names. We only want the stock name. Click this header. Go to Transform. Extract. Text before delimiter. Before this left parentheses, right? So we type parentheses, this okay. So we only left this stock name, right? Look, continue, another stock, then just changing the name, stock name. Now let's double click the date. Each column is anything here. Okay. And for the volume, here this column. So all the numbers, double check for each column is all right, all the numbers here. So seems all good now. Close and apply. See, now we have the new table ready. We can start to do the visuals. So you click table, now we have 3 columns we want.